Welcome to my channel, SteveO the window cleaner. It's a little chilly this morning. It's about 26 degrees. I'm just gonna show you guys me cleaning some windows with the new Sorbo Viper Squeegee channel that has the 45-degree cut right there, and then also on the inside right there. It also has the new rubber for these is the Sorbo Firm 45, so you can find that where you can buy your Sorbo rubber on windowcleaner.com. And then also, what's cool, you take it out here real quick. And something else Sorbo's done is he's made angled clips that go in right there. And as always, like I always say, the easiest way to change these out is to put a little bit of Dawn soap or your dish soap right there, and it slides in a lot nicer. So let me change out this rubber real quickly and we'll get going. But I also suggest using the Sorbo swivel handle with it. Like I mentioned almost like a year ago with these Sorbo channels, is this under part is a little bit different than what it used to be. So when you use an Unger Ninja handle, it actually throws off the angle a little bit. Not saying you can't do it, but it just is what it is as far as that goes. But I really like it. I've been using it for a little while now. I don't find that any squeegee is zero detailing, but out of all the angled squeegees that are out there, I like this the best. I have not used this on like a Mormon handle or anything like that. I don't suggest doing that. You can break your Mormon handles. Putting it on a Sorbo channel, you can break them. Not saying that you will, but you can for sure. So yeah, let's try it out here. This is one of my favorite storefronts to do. So let's get going. Alrighty, so the Sorbo Viper Squeegee, just an awesome wide body squeegee. This is now my favorite wide body squeegee that I have ever used in my whole entire life. I personally like this better than the Quicksilver, than the Cobra. It's just, for some reason, I just get along with it extremely well. Just super impressed. I don't know if it's the blend with the firm rubber, the firm 45 rubber, and then the angled here on the end. I'm not sure, but you know, here's the cool thing, is that this rubber, Sorbo rubber, you can use in other channels as well. Even though it has that T shape to it, you can put this in other channels, so it's universal, which is super nice. But overall, I just found this just to be awesome. And like, you know, I just use usually Ettore brass now, all the time. So I had this in an 18. I only like wide bodies in an 18 or bigger. I won't use them really smaller. Smaller, I like a slim channel like brass or something like that. But using it with the Sorbo handle, just super smooth. Smooth as freaking butter. Smooth as butter. I really enjoyed it. I was super impressed. Some of the things that make it better than like this. So just real quickly, I don't believe in zero detailing. I've talked about that a little bit lately. I don't think it's a real thing. I think it's a farce. So the cool thing about this is that this is really held at the end, where this is not, where the Moorman liquidator is not, you know. So then if we look at the differences here, right, this, you know, is going all the way to the rubber end, and where you get rainbow streaks with this is because this pushes down on the rubber here, right? So too much pressure gives you rainbow streaks. The nice thing here is you don't have that, so you don't get those rainbows like you do with a liquidator. So that's super nice not to have. But overall, I just found that this didn't skip like this does at all. You didn't need to put extra soap on your T-bar to make it work. It just worked out of the box. And then, like I talked about earlier, it has the angled clips here, like the ultralight 45. But man, I just really enjoyed this today. This was really nice. I've used the 14, but I hadn't got a chance to use the 18 a lot. But man, this was just super nice. I would encourage you that if you're a Sorbo lover, to get one of these for sure. I think you'll really enjoy it. And make sure to order some extra firm 45 rubber. It's definitely suggested to use that with the firm rubber. And you can find all that stuff at Window Cleaning Resource, or you can call me and I can get it for you. But yeah, so that's it. I mean, just an amazing channel, amazing glide, works great on a pole as well, works really great on a pole. Of course, you can't fan with it on a pole, with this handle, but, yeah, I was just really excited about it. I haven't been this excited about a tool in a long time. But as you can tell, you know, it has the 45 cut there on the inside, and then it also has this 45 cut on the inside. But the nice thing is that these are really smoothed out here and smoothed out here. So it was just like butter. I'm just really excited about it. Anyways, I'm gonna give away 3 18-inch Sorbo Viper channels and a Sorbo handle to go with it. So I will have that link in the comments and in the description, so go there and check them out. If you want to buy a Sorbo Viper channel, check out Window Cleaning Resource, windowcleaner.com, or you can contact me because I am a sales rep. And if you need to get all your spring stuff ready, feel free to contact me as well, and I can get you all supplied up and ready to go for spring. But that is basically it. Sweet freaking channel, sweet channel, sweet. Just overall, I just was really excited about this today. If you can see, when I get really excited about tools, because I really like it. And this was one of those days where I was just like moving and burning straight through glass, because it was fun. It was fun to use it, and the results were really good. The rubber lasted really well. So if you have any questions, comment below, and remember to enter the competition, and that will be the competition will last from a week from the time that I release this video. So pretty cool. But that's the Sorbo Viper. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.